How to activate Barclays credit card on the app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to activate Barclays credit card on the app. To do this procedure, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, you could either use a web browser or an application. Now, in my case, I'm going to use a browser. So on the web address bar, you want to type in Barclays credit card. Barclays credit card activation. So press the first link that appears and it's gonna take you to the next page, which will look something like this. Now here, in order to activate your Barclays, you need to start whether you have a Barclay card or that you have an other card. Now in my case, I have a Barclay card, so I'm gonna press that. Now if you already got the Barclays or Barclay app, you could use this to activate your card and manage your account. So you just have to go and log into your account and then go to the activate card button and follow the prompt. So this way you'll be able to activate Barclays credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.